What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So let's get into Lucid, ticker symbol LCID. We have a position in them. I'll reveal it really quickly. As you can see on the chart, on this bottom right here, we are starting to get some green volume coming in. So let's review that news on why we got that recent pump. But in the last 5 days, $2.10 all the way up to $2.30. So showing some signs of finally promise. Let's get right into it. All right, so on Friday, shares of Lucid were trading higher because of the production of its second vehicle, the Gravity SUV, which in my last video we went over. In 2025, they're going to be ramping up production. So CEO Peter Rawlinson driving the Gravity SUV within the factory, and Lucid described the start of the production as a significant milestone and noted the efforts of the team in bringing the vehicle to the market. Lucid recently began taking orders for Gravity. Two items. You can have the Grand Touring trim, which is priced at $94,900, and then you have a production of the lower priced Touring trim starting at $79,900. So still a very expensive vehicle. Now I just want to highlight, Rawlinson says the Gravity enters a market 6 times larger than Lucid's first vehicle, the Air sedan. So we'll see. Is this going to ramp up production? Let me know in the comment section below. And also, Lucid has also pointed plans to produce a mid-size platform priced at approximately $48,000 by late 2026. I think that might help them start selling more cars. I don't believe they're going to go any lower than that. That's probably going to be their price tag, is around that $48,000 to $50,000. Lucid shares have declined nearly 50% year to date, and it says ranging from $2 to $12. And I have bought the dip. Let me show you my cost basis. All right, guys, so check it out. Lucid stock in the Fidelity account, we bought a cost basis of $500 worth at around $2.13. We're currently up 7.89%, but I'm not in this to try to make 10%. I'm going to continue to add to this position. Anything under $2.50, I am thinking it's a buy. I'm holding long term. The big risk is the share offering. If they continue to lose money, that would dilute the shares, dilute the stock. But this is where I am right now. These are my buys, just showing you transparency here. So I want to just preface this with, do not follow a YouTuber's account. I am buying this with day trading gains that I have made. So for me, this is house money that I am investing. I plan to build a much bigger position in. But if you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm up a good amount of money this year. So I believe I can afford to take some risk. The way I look at it though is Lucid was $57 to $65 a share, went all the way down to $2. That's a 95 to 96% drawback. What I'm trying to do is buy the dip and just hold the shares, and hopefully one day we get this move all the way back up to $50, $60. And I know it sounds nuts. That's like a 2,000% gain. I'm willing to hold these shares. I'm okay taking a complete loss on this, but I'm using house money to do it. So for me, if I can make day trading gains and throw it into Lucid, I'm perfectly okay with that. If you zoom in here, we are starting to get some green volume bars coming in. And I'm going to hold this stock and continue to add as time goes on. Anything under $2.50 I consider an easy buy. But we just have to beware that this could potentially fail and sell off and make a new low below 1.93. And if it does that, then the stock, I think, is going to be in some real trouble. Looking at the short term, you can definitely see that there are some headwinds here. I mean, there is clear resistance around this 2.6 level. But if we can get above 2.5 and hold 2.5, I think we can get a push to about $3.30. I'm still not going to take profits. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average. I want to hold a stock that everybody thinks is out. And if we can get moves even back to $4, I mean, they're big gains. Just from my cost base of 2013 cents all the way back up, it's a 100% gain. All right, thanks for tuning into the channel. Appreciate it. We just hit 3.8 thousand subscribers. Appreciate you guys tuning in and supporting the channel. Definitely check out the links here where I have TikTok, and I also have Twitter where I post, different information about stocks. Check out the playlist. We have a bunch of videos that I just came out with. This was the recent one, Lucid, about 6 days ago. Popular videos on how to set up automatic investments on Fidelity. FSELX, if you're just looking to get into semiconductors and don't know which stock to buy, this is a great option. And then Fidelity's high dividend ETF, FDVV. And there's so much more. Go through the playlist. Check it out. Leave a comment. I just started a cryptocurrency portfolio with Gemini, and I've been buying some XRP, and we're making good gains with that. Definitely check out the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and leave a comment in the section below.